Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be sharing with you guys my travel summer beachy vacation makeup bag. I'm gonna tell you what I have in here. I don't have an overload of stuff. This is all I would take if I was going like on a cruise or like if the beach wasn't so close and I was going like on a beach vacation and we were traveling, and this is what I would take. So before I get started, make sure you are subscribed, that you hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I'm going to be uploading every day this week from Monday to Friday at this new summer video. If you missed yesterday's video, I will link it in an iCard. It's my favorite summer nail polishes, so make sure you go check that out. Also, don't forget to hit the like if you like these type of videos and this whole summer series. It's just fun. I hope you guys really enjoy it. So this is my purse that I would take on a vacation, whether it's like a beach day trip or like just a summer vacation to the beach. This is my bag. So I got this from one of my really close friends, Ingrid. She gave this to me for my birthday. I don't know where she got it from, but it has like the fun beachy. To me, this is like a summery boho, like just beautiful bag that matches pretty much everything. I love the long strap, the gold detailing, and I just put all my makeup in here. It's just easy for me. I have in here makeup that I would actually wear to the beach, that it's really simple and light. I have a tutorial for that coming up tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned. And I also have in here some extra things for if we're going out to dinner or something like that that I want to put a little bit more makeup on than just like a couple of things that I would put on if I was going to the beach. So it's not super big, but I do have a little bit of a variety in here, and I have some brushes, but I really packed light. I wanted to be really realistic because honestly, I'm not someone who would pack 2 huge cases of makeup unless it's something that I'm going to travel for specifically for makeup. I wouldn't bring all that many things. I would just really limit myself, try to use brushes for multiple things. So I only have like 4 brushes in here. So I really try to limit myself. I think I have like 1 lip option or 2 lip options. Like, it's not a lot of things in this bag. So let's just get started on what's in here. So first thing first, I have this little like plastic bag that I got when I bought the Wonder Blender from Miss A, which is another beauty sponge. It only cost me $1, but I kept the little baggie because I thought it would fit my Sigma beauty sponge perfectly. Now, I did use this makeup today, just so you're wondering. It is a little dirty. I used the brushes and the sponges. But yeah, this is my Sigma beauty sponge that I absolutely love, and I love keeping it in a little bag like this so it just doesn't get dirty or is like just rolling around in my makeup bag. Products that I'm going to be talking about today, I will link down below in the description box, so check that if you're interested. But yeah, I love my Sigma sponge, so I have to take that. I guess I'll go through my brushes. So these are all the brushes that I'm taking, these and this one. First is this brush. This is my multitasking brush. It's the Fishy Brush, and I'm not just putting it in here because it's a fishy. I actually really do like this, and I will link it below. But this is a multitasker. I can apply my foundation with it, and it goes on flawless and beautiful. It gives me the coverage that I want if I am going out to dinner or something like that. I can also apply contour, I can bronze, I can blush, I can highlight with this. So I really wanted to add this because it's a multitasker, and I wanted to have that. This one here is the Aesthetica P12 brush. I love this again to bronze, to blush, to contour. I love this brush. I'm obsessed with this brush. I can't put it down, so I had to include this one in here as well. Then my final face brush is this Luxie 516 Duo Fiber powder brush because it's super small. I can powder under the eyes, and I can also powder my whole face if I need to. So I had to include this because it's just the perfect face brush. And then I have some eye brushes. This is my current eyebrow brush favorite. This is the 13 from Beach Cosmetics. It has a spoolie, and I do use a gel for my brows, so I had to include this. And then these are my 3 eye brushes that I included in here. So this is the Diffused Crease E38 brush from Sigma for my crease. Then I have this bigger crease brush from the It's Likely makeup collection from Furless. It's the Pro 7E. I love this brush so much. And then this one is the Pro 4M, which is perfect for everything. Inner corner, eyeshadow, you can cut your crease, which I wouldn't be doing that on vacation, but you can do everything with this brush. So as long as I have one of these brushes, a blending brush, and then this one, which is perfect to just slap on random color, this is like, I can create a whole look with this 3 brushes. So obviously I wouldn't be using these eyeshadow brushes unless like for dinner or something like that. My beach makeup is so simple. You guys are gonna see tomorrow, so simple. So this is just for like an extra if I wanna do something and put on a little bit more makeup. That's what these are for. I can't go anywhere with this bronzer. I love this so much. This is the Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer in Sweet Tea. I use this for the beach. This is what I slap on my entire cheek area. I love this so much. I used it today as well to bronze. I love this so much. The packaging is bulky, but I make do. I will put stuff back just to have this with me because I love it. It's my favorite glowy bronzer of all time. Then I brought this to contour with. This one is really sleek and small. It's the Colourpop bronzer in Afternoon Delight. This is what I brought to contour with. If I am going to dinner or something like that, this is my to contour with. Only blush I packed is the Just Peachy from LA Girl. I love this blush so much, and it's perfect for the summer because it has a peachy, it has some sheen to it, and it just looks gorgeous, and it pairs up so beautifully with this bronzer. Like this glowy bronzer with this peach just looks so beautiful. So I absolutely love it. It is such a beautiful color, and you can diffuse it or you can make it more vibrant, and I love this blush. And this is very sturdy packaging, so I knew I was going to pack that right away. I did bring a powder. This is the LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder in Soft Honey. I just love this powder. It's really, really good. It's not too matte, it's not too drying, but it's going to do the job if I do need to powder. So this is the one I decided to bring. I really like it. It's a really good powder, and it's super affordable. Okay, this is the only eyeshadow palette I brought, and it is a limited edition. But I'm gonna be honest with you. This is what I would take because I love the mirror. It's huge, so I would use it for the mirror, and also the colors in here are very neutral. There's a black in here, and there's some light colors, so I can just do a brown smoky eye if we're going out to dinner. But other than that, that's the only reason I would use this. I don't use this for anything else, but this I thought would be perfect because it has the huge mirror, it has the colors that I need, it's pretty flat and compact, so I like this eyeshadow palette. But I have another option for you guys if you are wondering like what you should take or anything like that. I love this Colourpop Elements of Surprise Shadow Palette. I love this so much, you guys, because you have some neutral colors, you can deepen up a look, you have some pops, you have a lighter color, you have some shimmers, and I think this is just you can find everything you want in this palette. You can add a pop of color if you want, you can have a neutral look, you can get a neutral smoky eye with this, and you have your highlight shade, like you have everything you need in this palette, and it's very sleek and compact, and this actually will fit in there as well. So these two would be one of these I would be taking because I just love them both. You can get the things you need from that eyeshadow palette. All right, this is the foundation I would take, and only this foundation. This is the It Cosmetics CC Cream. It has SPF 50. Because it does have SPF, it will have flashback, but this is perfect. You can take it to the beach, you can add coverage. This is like, you can get a really light coverage or a really full coverage from this CC Cream. I have the shade Medium Tan, and I love this so much. So beautiful, such a natural finish, gives you your SPF so you can be protected, and you can still look really full coverage if you want to, like at night when you go out. So I love this, and that was right off the bat, I knew I was going to put that. This is the only primer that I packed because it's super small, and for my dry skin it's just perfect. This is the Hard Candy Coconut Water Priming Stick. I packed this because It's one of my favorites. It is easy to travel with. It is hydrating, but yet it's sticky so that whatever you put on top is going to stick to. So if you're out in the sun, if it's humid, this is a good primer to have underneath foundation, underneath base, because it's going to make it last longer. It's not going to melt off your face. So I really love this one. It's a really good one. Okay, I packed 2 highlighting options. First, this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfecting Liquid, and this one is in Opal. This is you can put this underneath foundation to give you a really glow if you're really into that like full glow, glam type of look. Or you can put these on your high cheeks to give you a little bit of a highlight. Also, I love this Tarteist Pro Glow. This one's in the shade Stunner. I use this in my beach makeup look tomorrow, like barely any makeup at all, but I do add some glow and it makes such a difference, and I love this so much. And this is so easy to travel with. They're little squeezy tubes. This one's a little travel size. So I did also add a contour stick just in case I want more of like a creamy contour. This one's from Wet n Wild. It's Wears Walnut, and this is one of my favorite creamy contours. I knew I wanted to add this because I can contour my nose. I can also add some in the eyes to deepen up a look even more. So this is just so easy to travel with. It blends so easily. You can use your fingers. Eyebrows. I'm into these little pots right now. This is the Beach Cosmetic waterproof brow pomade in Blonde. This really is truly waterproof. Unless you're rubbing at it, this will last if you get splashed on, rained on, whatever, through the sweat. This is a really good one and I really love it. So I'm wearing the shade Blonde is what I'm wearing. And then I would set that with the Jordana Fabu Brow Shape and Set Gel. Super affordable, really tiny, and it's gonna set your eyebrows into place so you can go have fun at the beach and doing whatever it is that you're doing. So these are my brow must-haves, and they're small so they fit in this bag. I have a lip balm. This is the LA Colors Color Balm, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's just a lip balm, and it's just a fun color. So I have this one, and I also have this LA Color Cheeks and Lips Tinted in Cherry. This is what I use to blush as well, and also to tint my lips. I love this so much. When I'm going to the beach, this is what I use. It's like very light, very natural, and this only costs $1 on the Miss A website, so it's super affordable. Also for the lips, I also of course had to pack this. This is the Wet n Wild Nudist Peach Liquid Katsu. It's my favorite liquid lipstick of all time, and it's perfect for summertime, so I had to pack this baby. It's just such a good liquid lipstick. So these are my little lip options. Not that much, but these will go with basically anything. So I had to pack those. Last is concealer and mascara. So I did pack 2 concealers. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Medium 26. This is rather new to me, but I'm loving it so far. So I packed this one, and also this one is just an old favorite. This is the Flower Beauty in M34. It's the Light Illusions Concealer. If I had a lighter version of this, I would just be packing the lighter version and this one right here for my skin instead of the Colourpop one, because this one is such a beautiful formula. It's dewiness, it's fresh, it conceals, and I really do love this concealer. It's a really good one. So these are the 2 that I got. I have in here, and then for mascara, of course, I have my little curler. This one I think is Sonia Kashuk one, and then for mascara I just have a Too Faced Better Than Sex little travel size here, trial size. I think this one's better than the big version of this. I just really like this tiny one, so I just threw this one in there. Whatever mascara is your personal favorite, this one is one of my favorites. I also really like the Gigi Hadid Fiber Mascara. This is not waterproof though, but it's a must-have. I packed it in there. This was limited edition, but I did find it on Amazon. I will link it off down below for you guys. I just love this so much. It's one of my favorites. It just does wonders to my eyelashes. So that's everything that I would take with me if I was going on like a beachy traveling vacation for the summer. That's everything that I would honestly take. I don't need a lot, but you can create some beautiful fresh faced looks with this makeup. I'm not one to pack like super heavy. I want just one small bag and that's it. Whatever I can fit in there, I'm gonna fit in there. That's what I would pack. I don't know, I've never done one of these what's in my makeup bag type of videos, so I hope you guys really liked it. I will link everything off in the description box. Come back tomorrow because tomorrow I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my beach makeup. It's super simple what to do when you go on the beach, and I'm gonna be using some of these products in that tutorial, so make sure that you come back tomorrow. I love you guys. You guys are so amazing. Please comment down below, tell me what's your favorite summer product, or what's one product that you have to have in your summer bag if you're going to like a beach vacation. What's something that you love to take with you? Comment below and let me know, and I guess I will just see you guys tomorrow. Bye.